In this video, I'll be sharing 3 things you need to do that will help to avoid your international TikTok account from getting banned, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Growbita. This channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Many people have been asking me, bros, what do we need to do to maintain our international TikTok account in order not to get banned? Right? So I've been getting these comments in most of my videos. Even the last video I published, people are still asking the same question, right? So I decided to make some research, and also with my own experience, I want to share with you guys 3 things that you need to do that will actually help. I'm not TikTok and I don't work with TikTok. I only share with my experience and also what I learned from others as well, right? So firstly, I would like to tell you guys a story. Like when I learned about this TikTok monetization, I had to call my guy in the US and I asked him to create an account for me so that I'll be able to grow the account and get to the criteria and start making money, right? So he created that account for me, and according to him, he said, I don't need to log into the account. I should wait for like 1 week before I log into the account, right? So in the process of waiting for the 1 week, the account get banned, and the account is still with him in the US. That's the reason why I'm saying I'm not TikTok, and whatever I share in this video is not really 100%, but at least it will help you, right? So imagine an account that is still in the US getting banned. What about us in Africa? So that's the reason why I want to share these 3 things that will actually help you, which number one is stay longer with VPN. You created this account with VPN, and what actually means that your location is no longer in Nigeria, that your location is in another country. So after creating this account and you switch off VPN, it might affect it because TikTok will be wondering, how did you move from that country to Nigeria within a short period of time, right? So I made a research, and through the research I made, like a lot of them were saying that you should leave your VPN on for at least 2 weeks. And also in a video I made previously on international TikTok account, I stated that my VPN is always on due to Facebook monetization, and my own international TikTok account is still okay and intact. So what I will urge you to do is to make sure that you leave your VPN on. If possible, you can leave it on for 1 year, 2 years. You can leave it on forever, because that's the way I'm living my own life, and that's the best way I can actually recommend, because that's my own experience. And maybe the people that are saying that you should leave it for 2 weeks, that's their own experience. So what I'm trying to do is that I share my own experience and share their own experience as well, right? So number 2 thing that you need to do is that you should focus more on creating original content, right? Original content will actually help you more than copying other people's video, right? Even if you want to post other people's video, you need to edit it as a reaction video and add value to it, because that is a creativity program, and for you to be in the program, your video needs to be creative. Understand? So try as much as possible to create original content, and creating original content, don't use people's sound that might be copyrighted. Though, like, I don't really know if TikTok actually monetize a video with people's music like they do. Normally TikTok people are vibing on different music, but I don't know if this program actually accepts people's music. That's why I would advise you as a content creator to focus more on creating original content and avoid the kind of music using your videos. If possible, there are several websites you can actually get copyrighted music. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can go to those platforms and get the sound that you'll be using on your videos, right? And if you want me to make a video to list out those websites that you can actually get those sound, I can also make that video. Just drop it in the comment section and I'll make video on that. And make sure that any video you're uploading in this account should be above 1 minute. It will help you to get monetized easily, because according to them, they said the videos that will be monetized should be more than 1 minute. And if your video is more than 1 minute, it gives you more opportunity to get watch time, and the more people spend time to watch your video, it actually helps your video to go viral, and it will help you to easily get that 100,000 views that they are asking for, right? So finally, number 3 thing that you need to do is to make sure that you don't reuse content. Do not reuse content. Any content that you see that is already on TikTok, you don't need to reuse it, right? Create original content and don't reuse content. Don't reuse content. This is very, very important. If you have any content that you posted on your other TikTok account, do not post it there. Or any content that you sense that it might be on TikTok, do not post it there, because once you keep on reusing content, they might kick you off from the program, right? So in the program, they don't accept reusing of content. So that's one of the things that you need to take very, very serious, right? Like you all already know the criteria that you need to reach for you to get monetized on TikTok, which state that you must be 18 years, be in eligible country, have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views within last 30 days. Right? These are the criteria that you need to reach for you to be able to monetize your TikTok account in that program. Right? So guys, make sure that you take precaution of this thing. Stay with your VPN if possible. Then create original content, and make sure your content is more than 1 minute. And lastly, do not reuse content. If you can actually keep up with these three things, there is possibility that your account will not be banned and you will keep on making money like other people that are already making money. There are a lot of people actually making money on TikTok right now with this program, and some of them are in Nigeria, right? So you can also make money the same way they are making money. All you need to do is to believe and follow the right thing. If there is any other thing I need to tell you guys, I will come here and make video on that. But this is where I'll be bringing this video to an end. Right, so thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all. And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel, because we post amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.